Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday. How is everybody doing? Are you happy that it's September 1st and we're slowly coming into fall? Just because it's September 1st doesn't mean we're not going to get more hot weather. I mean, it may not be 90, but we'll go to the 80s again. It's going to be a long ride out of this warm weather pattern, folks. Even though we'll get some cool shots, I still think it's going to be warm for quite some time. As a matter of fact, the long-range people that do this have some interesting thoughts, and I want to share that with you right now. What a segue, huh? Now, this is off weatherbell.com. This is Joe Bottardi, Joe DeLeo. Actually, Joe DeLeo was a professor of mine for a short time at Lyndon State College in Lyndonville, Vermont, back in 1975. He's teamed up with Weatherbell over the years. And Joe Bottardi, of course, is a great long-range forecaster. And he has this. This is his winter forecast, which I wanted to share. You can check this out by going to weatherbell.com. But look at the plus 3 degrees above normal, being redundant, but there you go, up across northern New England, all the way up and down the East Coast. It's above normal in the temperature department. The only place that's normal to slightly below is the far northern plain states. Is this going to be right? I don't know. What about snowfall? Well, Joe Bottardi thinks that we'll have maybe between 75 and 85% of normal snowfall in New England. Again, we shall see. Here's the 100% back into the Great Lakes, in through northern Texas, and back into the plains and the Rockies, and way above normal in the Pacific Northwest, to North Dakota, portions of western Minnesota, and we shall see. I just, also, before I make a comment, I want to show you water temperatures. This is global water temperatures. This is another great site you want to check out, Tropical Tidbits. TropicalTidbits.com. They have all kinds of great weather stuff there. But look at the ocean temperatures. Look at the La Nina with this cold strip of water developing in this position. Look at this. Wow. Last year at this time, we were almost getting into an El Nino, and then, of course, it faded. But look at how warm the Atlantic is. It's very warm. Hudson's Bay, this whole area, very warm. And in the Pacific, too, it's very warm. This warm tongue of water out here. So incredible stuff. Now, there's a lot of factors that go into the long-range forecast. First of all, we have what's called the QBO, which is the quasi-biennial oscillation, which is tropical stratospheric winds. They shift between east and west. How's that going to line up? We're still waiting to see. Also, there's another element called the MJO, which is the Madden-Julian oscillation. Cluster of thunderstorms in certain phases affects the jet stream in certain ways at certain times of year. And also, the sunspot cycle is another situation we're watching. Ocean temperatures are very hard to forecast. Last year, it was very warm in the Pacific Northwest, then got cool, and that raised havoc with the jet stream. Then you add on the EPO, the AO, the NAO, and the PNA situation, and you have all kinds of things that you have to follow that go into long-range weather forecasting. All right, here we go. Weather Headline talks about a decent Tuesday around here, buggy Thursday, nice Friday, a great weekend coming up. So the forecast today talks about sun clouds, nice dry air. It'll be in the 70s, light winds. Clouding up overnight, the full moon out there, the full hunter moon, howling at the moon, 60 to 65. Here's your 7-day forecast, starting with tomorrow. Now, warm front's lifting north. Of a lot of clouds, could be a little peekaboo sun. There might be an afternoon shower, thunderstorm. It'll be getting more humid, 75 to 80 perhaps. Thursday, a weak cold front's approaching. Sun clouds hot and muggy, 88, maybe a late thunderstorm. Friday, drier northwest winds are coming in, but it's still hot, 87. Saturday, great beach day, sun, a few clouds, 83. Sunday, sunny, beautiful, 84. Monday morning sun and thickening clouds, breezy. It'll be in the mid-80s, late storms. It'll be much cooler where the south wind acts as a sea breeze over the Cape, the Rhode Island coast, North Shore, Massachusetts. And Tuesday, there'll be a frontal zone very close to us with occasional rain and muggy weather. So, there you go. Lots to follow here, folks, over the next several months as we slowly transide into fall. And we shall see if that long-range forecast is good or not. Last year, everybody busted. We thought it was going to be cold and snowy, and that did not work out. So, we shall see what we shall see. All right, I'm Mark Rosenthal. Have a great Tuesday, everybody.